Okay, the same as the other end. What we want to do is we've set these up. We've got our arrow markers, so everything's exactly the same. We'll do a tack on one side, then we'll go down that end and we'll get those perfect, and then we'll weld on. All you're looking to do is have these arrows perfectly in the centre. Making sure they're even either side of your post. So this one actually has to go down. And you put another weld in here. Same deal with that one. And as you can see, this is all very, very easy. Simple as ABC. And that, people, is how you make a gate.